Hey people, and welcome to a new Minecraft mod video. This is my first mod video of Minecraft 1.3. So what mod are we looking at today? We're looking at Ray's Minimap. This is for Minecraft 1.3.1 or whatever it says in the title and description. I tend to update them as the mod updates, so go and check out my previous mod videos if you want to see if certain mods have updated. So anyway, let's get into the mod, and from what you can see straight away, top right hand corner we have a small mini map, and the mini map also has your coordinates underneath, like the two numbers directly underneath, the 182 and the 221 are your X and Z coordinates, and below that your Y coordinates, so you can see how high you are in the world. You can notice I'm going down, level 72 here, and it says menu M key, so M key is your menu. So let's open the menu, and this comes up. You can exit the menu, you can have your waypoints here, we'll get into that in a bit, and your key config, so you can actually set a lot of different key bindings in here. Your main key config at the moment is your menu key, which we've done, which is M, toggle zoom, which is Z, X for the large map, and C for set waypoints. So yeah, let's just do those for a sec. C, this sets a waypoint, and here you can choose a waypoint name. I'm just going to call it points, and you can choose the different color like this. It's got RGB values there. It's pretty cool. Just change it like that, and then you click OK, and your waypoint comes up. And as you get further away, you can see your distance to your waypoint, and you can see the name, of course. So it's really helpful for, well, finding locations you might want to come back to later, putting a waypoint at your house, putting a waypoint at a spawner, putting a waypoint at a cool structure you found. So yeah, that's really helpful. So also we've got the large map, which is pressing X, and this comes up, and you can actually use the Z key, which is the zoom key, and it zooms in and it zooms out, and it also does the same for the minimap in the top right. Zooms in, zooms out. So we've got some features there. Let's go back into the menu and let's have a look at some options. Well, first option, Ray's Minimap, enabled, disabled, simple enough. And render type, service, you got biome, and you got cave. Service just shows you what the surface of the world looks like. So at the moment it's like this. What biome? It shows you what biomes are. I mean, let's fly around a bit. I'm not sure what the different colours actually are, but I'm assuming the yellow ones are sand. Maybe not, but who knows? Who knows what these biomes are? Apparently this one's a snow biome. This is a very old world, so the biomes are messed up. So let's go back into our menu and have a look at cave. Now, the way cave works is, as you go higher up, it works in like your level in the world, your Y value. So as you go down, it will show you the area like that. And if I was to go into a cave over here, we'd probably need some light in there. Let's see if you can see what I mean. As you go down, it'll sort of map the caves out for you. Like, if you light the caves up, you can see the outlines of the cave on the minimap. Oh, we actually found it. Oh no, it's not a dungeon, never mind. Because that's how it works. Anyway, you can see things on your level that are lit up pretty much by them being a darker colour green. But I prefer the surface one. It's just me. So you can also have death point enabled. So basically when you die, it'll put an X, like a waypoint where you die, and you can find your way back to your death point. And let's just disable that. Next we've got the minimap options. You can change the map from square to round. You can change the Ray's minimap to Zan's minimap. This is an older style minimap, but it's pretty cool. And that can be square and round as well. And you can change the position, any corner you want. You can change the map scale to like small, normal, large, larger, GUI scale, or auto. Change the map opacity. Of course, you should know what that does. Large map scale. I'm not sure what. Oh yeah, that's the large map. That's the big one that comes up. You make it larger stuff. And that's the opacity for the larger map, and that has labels on the large map. Filtering. It just changes some of the graphics to the minimap. I mean, it'll make it finer detailed or whatever. Show coordinates disabled. Type 1 or Type 2. Type 1 just has no decimal points. Type 2 does. I like Type 1 really. Show menu key. Well, shows. It will display under the minimap the menu key. I like it to be enabled because I forget. I'm an idiot. So what else we got? Font scale. You can change the size of the font. Default zoom. I have it on 1. You can change it to whatever you want. We have mask map. Not quite sure what that's doing. Some of these options down here are kind of for more advanced users, like threading priority, preloaded chunks. Anyway, we've looked at that. So surface map options, you've got various options here. I'm not going to go into those too much. So it changes the. You can change it from like daytime to nighttime on your minimap if you want. On dynamic, it just changes with the day. So you've got different lighting types. I think that's switching between smooth lighting and old lighting. So that shows slime chunks. So you can actually see these where slime chunks are. You can have a chunk grid. You can hide the snow. You can change it so it doesn't have environmental colours. So on here it has like a snow biome down the bottom here. And you can change that on and off just to have one colour there. And I'm going to get onto the next. Yeah, I'm going to get onto the next options there. Entities radar options. Basically, let's turn this on, and this will show me where all the entities are. So, like, for example, a sheep. And the more like faded they are, the more either up or down below they are. So down below here, there is quite a lot of entities. So you can actually change what you want to be seen. You can turn slimes off. You can turn monsters off. You can do whatever you want. And then we've got marker options, which is for the waypoints. It show you, if you disable that, you won't be able to see the marker, the icon, the label, the distance. This just has some info, takes you to the forum for the Japanese version or the English version, and that's pretty much it. Checks for updates. And the final thing we're going to look at is the waypoints section. Here it will list all your waypoints, including your death waypoints. You can like click it to add one. You can remove one as well. Go to remove. And you can keep or remove it. I'm going to remove it. And there we go, it's removed. So yeah, that is Ray's Minimap 1.3.1. Hope I went through enough of the options for you. Links will be in the description where you can download this. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And I'll be back with a new Minecraft mod video shortly. Remember, this mod can be used on servers as well without, well, any server-side mods. So it's cool for that. So anyway, I will see you next time in a new video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.